In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade futures on Oanda. So the first thing I have to tell you is that Oanda does not directly offer trading in traditional exchange-traded futures contracts, but instead it does provide access to contracts for difference, which are also called CFDs on commodities, indices, and other markets that behave similar to futures, allowing you to trade based on price movements without actually owning the underlying asset. So the way you can do that is you can go ahead and click on search symbol, and then whatever you are in here, you can click on go back. So click up here and it's going to take you into a few different things. And here you can see it says equities and then underscore CFD. So these are the contracts for difference. You want to just click on that over here. And then you can go ahead and of course select the one you would like to go ahead and trade. And then you can click on to load the chart and you can go ahead and get started with that. So as I said, futures cannot be traded, but CFDs can be. But if that's not for you, then unfortunately, you're going to have to find a different broker, which actually does offer trading of futures. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.